Saina Industrial Corporation Limited, located in Guangzhou, Fujian Province, specializes in the research, development, and production of fiberclay planters. Our modern 40,000 square meters workshop has helped us generate an annual revenue of over $20 million. Since 2008, we have remained commitment to our enterprise spirit of the best quality and the best service, and the philosophy of win-win. Our team of over 200 professional technicians and 100 new product development specialists utilize the latest product development software, coupled with a competitive creative process and strict design and inspection procedures to bring your ideas to life. We strictly adhere to the ISO 9001 International Quality Standard, implementing rigorous quality control throughout product development, procurement, production, inspection, and after-sales service. Our products undergo extensive testing to meet high standards in environmental protection, applicability, durability, and aesthetics. Saina fiberclay planters are a completely new combination of a stone, fiberglass, magnesia mixture, and natural synthetic fibers. In addition to the affordable price, our special composition is particularly impressive due to its lightweight, high durability, natural appearance, frost resistance, and UV protection. All products are 100% handmade. Each product is carefully polished, patched, painted, inspected, and packaged before shipment. The whole production is energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Each design is inspired by nature. Our products impressively combine real surfaces with modern design. To support these positive properties, we have also treated all of our pots with a special care and impregnation spray. This makes our fiberclay planters the durable, robust, and yet lightweight alternative to heavy concrete, ceramic, and zinc pots or pure fiberglass products. We specialize in crafting personalized products and packaging to cater to our esteemed clients. With a warm embrace, we invite you to experience the epitome of tailored solutions that reflect your unique needs and preferences. Having spread our wings across more than 100 countries, we are totally committed to supplying our clients with unique designs, manufacture services, and we constantly strive to improve our services to our clients as well as consumers. Our entire team shares this commitment.